Alright. Got the Hyundai all shined up. These looking much better. Now I just need to get these damn center caps. And what do we have here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Time to go do some installing.
Done.
Look at that puppy.
Ain't that pretty?
Yeah, she came out nicely. I guess I'll give people an idea of what's going on here, what we're gonna do. Alright. A little bit of bracing right now, people. We got our port here that's gonna be firing into the side of the cabin. And a little bit of work here. What we're gonna go for is going to be 2 12s inverted, mounted on the top, and 2 mounted on the face with the cone facing outward. Should be a very nice design. It's coming together quite nicely.
Set up there, just cut your hole. Are you doing it to flush the woofer in, or are you doing it just to set it up?
Just doing it because it looks
Just to
good.
make it 3D. Just make it 3D. 30 by 13.
Beautiful.
You want a piece 30 by 13?
2 inverted,
What size wood you want to make it at?
2 faces out.
Man, I got plenty of this 3/4 ladder. I don't really that bad.
You know what's awesome about shops? It's just the excess of wire is always around. See that? See that? That's great. Plenty of wire. Let's go ahead and smooth on over here. Excuse me. I found the wire we need.
There you go. That's yeah.
It's like about,
Carry the juice.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I was about to say we need something that's gonna come back and rhino line the whole thing. Oh, look at that. Look at what Mr. James just brought in. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Also, a brand new in box Urban Audio 8. Never seen power. Well, isn't that nice? That is tough.
That's our inspiration for the BD.
Yeah, this is the inspiration for the BD, as you can see. You see the resemblances. Quite a mighty little 8. That cone is interesting. The dust cap, the idea they got going is different.
Having those done that way out of phase like that, what that does is.
So far, here's what's going on. Port right back there, firing into the side here. Let's see what she's got.